Hello everyone, in this quick guide I will show you how to use the AI Flux image generator and explain the differences between models like Flux Pro, Dev, Snell and more. So Flux is a powerful text-to-image model uh, s- developed by Black Forest Labs, I believe. You can access it through platforms like Replicate or Val AI without installing anything locally, or you can just go to fluxai.io and come here. Just enter your text prompt like for example, if I want to an image of a cat in a space, for example, wearing a helmet, floating uh, in a jellyfish tank. So if I want this, I can just click here and I can also choose the version and the resolution I want. For example, if I want a long video, then if I click generate, you need to sign up and then you'll get some free credits and you can generate the image using Flux AI. That is how I actually use it. So if you want to run Flux locally, uh, then you need to install Flux Snell, this one here. This is the fastest model that you can run locally, and it's optimized for speed and light resource usage, perfect for personal use or experiment. You can also use Flux through Python using Diffuser's library. This is a bit complicated. Like here's a simple snippet for Flux Snell. Notice the guidance scale is 0 and it only needs a few steps to produce an image. And Flux Dev, this one here, is your go to for high quality results. This one is very powerful and it takes longer because it will give you better quality, but gives you sharper, more prompt accurate images. Great for artists, devs, and researchers. Just tweak the guidance scale and prompt, and the model will generate stunning visuals that match your idea. You can like easily, for example, say there's the prompt here: a cat holding a sign that says "Hello World," and this is the example image. You can also like, change the just change the prompt here, and you can tweak around with the height and width, and you will get the exact result you want. To explore all the models and see which one fits your workflow, check out Black Forest Labs site or follow the GitHub repo for updates and new releases. So whether you want speed, flexibility, or pro level quality, there is a Flux model for you. A Pro, which is the top of the line, the Dev, somewhat in the middle, Snail, lightweight but fast. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.